Hi guys, welcome back. Some of you may have seen my video on the DIY paint shaker. Well, I'm going to be doing some painting today, so I thought I would do it again. So basically all you need is a reel of gaffer tape, an old reciprocating saw blade, and then what you do is you gaffer tape that to the can that you want to shake, and then the old trusty reciprocating saw in like this, and then shake baby. So I'm going to do it down the floor. I'll show you. So down the floor. And basically what it does is it shakes it easier than you can shake it. And you can hear the ball bearing rattling up and down inside it. We do this for about a minute or so. Like that. Then we should be ready for a bit of painting. This video, actually, the DIY paint shaker was the most I'd ever actually had as views before. I think it was about 80 or 90 odd views. I think now it's over 200 or something. I'll actually put a link into it in the bit below. But so yeah, that's what I've done. I've just shook this up. This is what they call high temperature spray paint, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the I'm going to paint that. So that's what I'm going to paint. It's the engine cover that I shot blast the other day. So I've got my little makeshift spray booth here, yeah. Right, the next thing I'm going to do before I actually paint this, because it's a little bit cold today, is I'm going to use a hot air gun and just warm it up. So I just go round very slowly. there we have it. That is treated with engine paint, high temperature engine paint. Unfortunately, it is just dull. So another trip to Halfords, and I got this one, engine paint, rather than very high temperature paint. And this is gloss, this one's gloss, so I'm going to now spray this one over the top of that and see how we get on. Here we go. Done the old trick with the with this and the reciprocating saw, and now we're going to give it some of this. Straight away you can see the difference. It's shiny straight away. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give that about 2 or 3 coats, and then flip it over and we'll see what happens. And that is how it's done. That's 3 coats, and it's as shiny can be. If I step away like that, pucker. So you'll see that piece on the engine later on. But for now, it's thanks very much for watching, and stay safe, everybody. If you like what I'm doing, tell your friends, and hopefully we can make some more videos. But for now, it's a bye-bye from me.